our discussion, you've been to Pampanga, and you've been made as adopted son of Pampanga, and I'm from Pampanga, and I'm from Pampanga. I'm very proud of that event. Can you tell us more?
It was really a resolution of the provincial government, Pastor. Ginawa nila akong adopted son. Ay nahiya naman akong tanong sa kanila kung bakit naging anak ako ng Pampanga. But maybe, well, so many reasons. One is, bata pa kami dito, yung mga kapit